Welcome to Vietnam! Wow! Hello, good morning! Magbe-breakfast muna si Mami. But itutur muna namin kayo sa kwarto kung saan kami naka-check-in dito sa Hanoi, Vietnam. Ito yung bed namin tatlo. Tabi-tabi kami. Meron ding maliit na table. Of course. May mga mirror. Marami. May kettle. May tea. Dalhin ko nga to para ipatry ko kay Mama. Lutos. And then may coffee. Meron naman TV pero hindi naman namin nabuksan. Ito yung bathroom namin. At ang nakakaloka, nabasag yung isa. May wardrobe. Yan. May kasaporte. Mayroong rep. Wala naman laman. So, for start to, ang ganda naman. Ang binayaran ko halos mga more than 5 days or 20. Ayan. Ganda-ganda. So, bababa na muna kaming tatlo at mag-breakfast. Ready to go na. Mamayang alas 6 ng hapon. So, ito yung breakfast for today. It's the same pa rin. May bacon, sausage, and then boiled, steamed vegetables. I don't know what is this, but I will try. Processing saging. And then my rice, tofu, parang champorado. Meron naman mga juice, pastry, bread. Pinapatry ito sa akin. Fruits, tomatoes, veggies, salad, may guava, banana. At ako yun, ang ganda-ganda ko. May watermelon. May hot cake. Ayan. May cheese. May ham. Ito ang breakfast for today. Wala naman ang bago. So, ito yung food ko for today. Breakfast. Dami oh. Pinili ko yung mga pipino. Meron akong omelette, watermelon juice, and coffee. Kainin na muna. So, tapos na ako mag-breakfast. Punta muna ako sa lobby at tatanong para sa shuttle service ko mamayang gabi. So ito yung lobby ng hotel. Hingi pa na ako ng tubig. Wait lang nga. Yes! Siya yung tour guide. So, nandito ako ngayon sa old quarter ng Hanoi. Pinaka-famous street market. Wow!
Welcome, Mr. Michel, to Hanoi, Vietnam. At the moment, we are walking in the old quarter of Hanoi. Hanoi. One of the best places for tourists living because it's very convenient. Good for looking, the eating, good for sightseeing, and good for everything.
Everything. No, I love it so much. Wow. Ang ganda. Wow. This is a secret temple. Wow. Uy guys, ang ganda. Tapos sa middle ng Old Quarter Hanoi, open pala to ng Friday, Saturday, and Sunday market. Nasa kalsada daw yung mga nagtitinda. Wow! Tapos naka-close doon para walang papasok ng mga sasakyan. You see? The best yung tour guide ko. Ang ganda! Wow! Ganda. Maganda oh.
Yeah, this is like a Chinese house.
This one.
Like they cleared out, they wetting the paper building. Very narrow. Okay, so now I would like to invite you go first to video.
Okay.
I would like to recommend you testing about steamed rice paper.
Okay.
Vietnamese name like bánh cuốn nóng. Okay, bánh cuốn nóng. And so now I try to tell you how they make the steamed rice paper. And then I try to explain you how they make it. And then you can take some picture. Because maybe after tour you open shop at home. Okay? Rice powder. This rice powder, they using the rice seed and then they grinding with the water. So that's why this color is a white color. But maybe after 5 or 10 minutes, they didn't use it. So that's why the rice powder, they come down, they're using the cloth to cover. Because inside here, water on under. Like this. Rice paper, very sticky. So we have to using the oils. These oils and painting on the face. It's easier for you rolling. And this is like a mushroom and meat. We will put in the middle of rice paper to get more tasty. So can you eat in the meat? Okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Very good. Smoke or no?
Wow.
open it. And then you put on top, and then you painting quickly and painting like this. Okay, and then after that you closing. They automatic steam it in 10 or 20 seconds.
Ah, okay.
So 3, 2, 1, open it.
Wow.
It's a very yeah. This is a very thin, so that's why you call a rice paper. And now we pick up the mushroom and meat, put on middle, and you start rolling. Yeah, this is long, so that's why we have to cut it. Yeah. Next one you do the same, okay?
Okay. Okay.
And this water soup at moment is a good. So now I would like to tell you how to make this one get more good, like really good, okay?
Okay.
So you can look and do follow me. Okay, so the first, and then you sipping. Yeah, and then you sipping.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and then this one you are same. And then the next one you pick up the mint like this, and then you put on the hand and slap her, because when you slap her you get full smell.
Yeah, I know, man.
Yeah.
I know.
And then you cut it. And then you cut it. And then after that, what do you do? After that, you're using the chopstick and pick up the chili. So this one, 1, 2, 3 or 0. It's up to you, okay? So how many one you want?
No.
0, okay? So
No, I can.
you can do,
yes.
okay? And then the next one is pepper. Yeah. And then now we're using your spoon and pick up the rice vinegar. This is vinegar.
Ah, okay, rice vinegar.
But not much, just a little bit like
okay.
this. So, and then now you're using the chopstick and mix and taste it.
Yummy.
Yes, I love it. So you can do that. Yeah.
And then
yeah,
it's
right.
shake.
Yeah.
Nilagyan ko ng black pepper, mint, rice vinegar, and then hindi ako naglagay ng chili. And I will try.
And now we pick up rice paper.
This one.
Yeah. Pick up inside.
Got it. And then sauce.
And then you put inside, and then you swimming.
Ah, okay.
You swimming. You open it. You open and swim.
But so yummy.
Thank
So
you, sir.
delicious. Kaya lang I'm full. Busog na busog ako. Nag-breakfast ako sa hotel. Wow.
Like this.
Yummy. And this one, this is onion. Wow. Yes, tapos na kami sa isang dish ng Vietnamese. The steamed rice. So, sa iba naman kami pupunta. Wow. my surname is so Matt is called my This is a tiny house. Wow. So in-explain sa akin bakit ganun yun. But later, explain ko na lang and then continue ang rampa namin. Ang ganda.